How can I turn off Instagram's instant photos feature? Recently, Instagram added a feature in direct messages. When you open direct messages, the instant photos feature will appear on Instagram for anyone who wants to turn off the feature. For instant messages on Instagram, how do you do it? The method is very simple. First, we'll go to the home page of my Instagram account. Then scroll down to the bottom right to the profile icon. Tap on it. And then we will see at the top on the right, 3 lines on top of each other. Tap on them. We go to Settings and Activity, then scroll down to the bottom. Scroll down to the bottom until we see the option. We will see the option Content Preferences, meaning content preferences. Tap on it once like this. After that, a large number of options will appear. We will scroll down and see the last option, Hide Instant Photos in Inbox. Here, we tell you that if you enable this feature, you will not see the Instant Photos feature in your direct messages. I will turn on the switch. After I turn on this switch, our Instant Photos feature on Instagram will be completely disabled. That was the method in brief.